The review for Huawei MateBook D15 is done and dusted, and now it's time for its brother, the Huawei MateBook D14. This is the model which everyone talked about last year, and now it's got some upgrade. If you're watching this video and if you're not subscribed to Logan the Tag Guy YouTube channel, that means you have to hit the little red subscribe button below. My video consists of infographic tag comparison laptop videos, and I'll also do voice over laptop comparison videos too, which I'll be doing the laptop comparison between MateBook D14 versus MateBook D15 and also the MateBook X Pro 2021 version. I had my hands on for all of these latest arrival from Huawei, so if you want to watch that, be sure to be subscribed. Speaking of tech videos, I also do tech review videos, and sometimes if I have some time to spare, I will cover the science and engineering topics too. As always, let's start from the price standpoint. The 2021 version of the Huawei MateBook D14 comes approximately at $980 for the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 models, and it also comes with i5 models with the price going to $760. The Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version comes with a 14-inch IPS anti-glare display, which is top-notch and befitting for the price with a full HD IPS panel. The laptop also has a screen-to-body ratio of 87% full-view display, which is pretty good. The screen comes with 16:9 aspect ratio with a resolution of 1920x1080. The 21 version of the MateBook D14 has a flicker-free and reduced blue light certification from TUV Resin for better eye comfort during use. With the thin bezels, Huawei manages to fit in the larger screen without making the MateBook D14 heavier or bulkier, but they come at a cost, a webcam that's barely usable. With no room of conventionally sized camera sensor in top display bezel, Huawei has opted to place the 720p webcam in a hidden pop-up button in the keyboard between F5 and F6 keys, and it pops up with a touch, where your fingers block it while you're typing. With this webcam feature, you can pop the camera down in the keyboard when it's not in use to thwart webcam hackers from spying on you. But the real nuisance is when you use it while typing during Zoom classes or online meetings. At just 1.38 kg and 15.9mm teak, this Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version is a sleek metallic laptop that can take your on-the-go life to exciting new place. The hinge display opens all the way to 180 degrees, folding to account for your every need to beam. As far as ports and connectors go, the laptop comes with a single USB 3.1 connectors on the right side along with a 3.5mm jack. The left side holds a single USB Type-C port that doubles as a laptop's charging port. It also supports reverse charging in a powered off state. Along with another USB 3.1 connector and a full-size HDMI port, the only thing that I don't like with this port layout is that you lose a Type-C port when the laptop is plugged in and taking power. Though the upside here is that you can use the power bank if it's powerful enough to charge the Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version, if you can find a wall socket to plug into. The cable provided by Huawei is a USB-C compatible on both ends, allowing convenient fast data transfer on the fly and supporting supercharge for your Huawei smartphone as well. AMD powered the core of the 2020 version of the Huawei MateBook D14, while this year version, the Huawei MateBook D14 comes with the latest cutting edge with Intel's 11th Gen Core i7 processor with 16GB of memory and 512GB of SSD. Those are significant upgrades compared with the 2020 version of the D14. The 11th Gen Intel chipset managed to beat the Ryzen 5 3500U that was in the previous model, but fails to put significant distance between it and the Ryzen 5 4600H on the MateBook 14 2021 version. In fact, the Core i5 1135G7 was beaten by the Ryzen 5 4600H in almost every metric in our synthetic benchmark test. The only appreciable win that the Core i5 1135G7 had over the technically older processor of AMD was in the graphical performance, which translated into better PC Mark 10, 3D Mark and Geekbench 5 compute scores, where the GPU performance is put at a premium. The MateBook D14 is designed for portable work for students and working professionals who aren't graphic designers or video editors, and is more than lives up to that part. This is all thanks to the inclusion of Intel's new IrisXe integrated graphics in the chip, though the better graphical score doesn't necessarily translate to the better performance. Meanwhile, an NVIDIA MX450 GPU is also available for some models of the D14. If you want to get this model even cheaper, then try getting the 2021 version of the D14 with the Intel Core i5-10210U processor and a GPU Intel of Intel UHD Graphics 620. Don't expect much in terms of performance, but for general study use and office use, it can perform well. The MateBook D14 2021 version doesn't have discrete graphics, provided if you're not getting Nvidia GeForce MX 450 graphics card. And while you're technically getting better graphical performance versus last year model, you are getting a few additional frames at best with more mainstream games like CSGO and Valorant. Now for some of the Asian countries other than China, I got a news from Huawei representatives saying that the models will only come with Intel's i5 model. Not sure why Huawei did that, but maybe later in the year they might include the i7 models. Huawei has built an effective thermal dual fan system on this device where it's dubbed as shark fin that keeps the machine cool, and I can vouch for its performance. Even if you keep it on those quiet nighttime, don't be bothered by annoying fan noises. The ultra thin 0.2mm Huawei shark fin fan improves heat dissipation by 24% to keep the things cooler, all while remaining as quiet as a mouse. The battery life isn't anything to write home about. The massive 56 Wh battery in the Huawei MateBook D14, you can get 10.5 hours of HD video playback from a single charge. This is written by Huawei in their official website. But with our YouTube battery drain on the laptop test recorded a time of 4 hours with a better battery preset turned on. This included with a 65 W charging grid also tops up the machine from 0 to 100% in just under 2 hours. One touch all access is what Huawei calls this laptop. Your finger is your passport to fully access Huawei MateBook D14. Press the fingerprint power button at top right of the keyboard and it will read your fingerprint to power on and log you in instantly. The faster and more secure way to start up your laptop. The touchpad is equipped with the Huawei Share where you can place your Huawei phone to activate it. The trackpad is nice and big and it makes a satisfying click when you press on it. Like Huawei's other MateBooks, the 2021 version of D14 also has Huawei Share, the quick and convenient sharing system that allows you to quickly transfer files from your phone to PC. Take note that the use of this feature, you will need to have a Huawei phone that runs EMUI. MateBook D14 uses an island-style key that spans the width of the laptop's chassis. The MateBook D14 has an excellent key travel and is very tactile, which makes typing a breeze upon using it. The laptop comes with dual speakers and dual microphone, which makes online meetings a good experience. Huawei MateBook D14 rewrites the rulebook when it comes to sound. Its custom audio algorithm provides truly pristine surround sound that washes over you like a cool, breathtaking wave. The Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version comes with Bluetooth 5.1 and also Wi-Fi 6. It is a revolution to enjoy network speeds up to 2.7 times faster than the previous generation. That means you can get to upload and download files up to an incredible 2.4 gigabits per second. Some models of the Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version will also come with Wi-Fi 5 and also Bluetooth 5.0, which is for the lower spec model and also lower price model. Now, before I jump to the pros and the cons of the Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version, if you like what you're watching, a sub to this channel will be massively appreciated. Now for the pros of the Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version. It comes with a sleek design with integrated fingerprint scanner. It comes with updated 11th gen GPU and CPU. You can also get the 10th gen Intel processor and also you can also get the Nvidia GeForce MX 450 graphics card in certain models. It comes with decent battery life and fast SSD, and it comes with backlit keyboard, which the D15 2021 version doesn't have. It comes with 180 degrees hinge opening, which also the D15 2021 version doesn't have, and it is also lightweight where you can carry it anywhere. For the cons of the Huawei MateBook D14 2021 version, it comes with awkward webcam placement, where while typing during online class or online meeting, you might block the webcam view, and it comes with Huawei Share that requires Huawei mobile device for full functionality, and it's more expensive compared to the previous models. Huawei has refreshed their excellent 14-inch MateBook for 2021. The new model now comes with Intel guards and serves as a good alternative to AMD-powered models unveiled last year. If you're okay with the webcam placement, then this 2021 D14 makes it suitable for studying or office usage, a lightweight notebook that does heavyweight workload. Before I end this video is made based on my hands-on usage on the 2021 version of the Huawei MateBook D14. The views, pros and the cons were made based on my usage on the laptop. There's no compensation and there's no copy approval provided by the manufacturers to me, and there's certainly no any early previews of this video were given to Huawei. Logan the tag guy works for the viewers and not the brand manufacturers. So that's it for the review video of this Huawei MateBook D14, which is versatile and boasts an upper hand on its own. Are you impressed with this laptop? Do let me know. I have done the review videos of D15 and MateBook X Pro 2021 version as well. Do check it out, and I will do a voice over tech comparison video between D14, D15 and the MateBook X Pro 2021 version, and which one you should get in the coming weeks. So be subscribed for that. If you have any thoughts or constructive criticism, do let me know in the comments below. And if you want to suggest any tech comparison to be made in this channel, then do let me know in the comments as well. Like this video if you did find this video helpful, and if you want to see more from Logan the Tech Guy, then hit on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon. It is always really appreciated. Check out on my other videos. I will catch you next time right here. All love and peace out.